The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Grimes County in southeastern Texas, east central Burleson County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Brazos County in southeastern Texas, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near College Station, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include College Station, Milliken, Kylefield, Wellborn, and Carlos. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now let's check